Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all winter intermittent fasting diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Winter season definitely is one of the best times where you can lose maximum weight with lots of nutrient content present in the foods that are very easily and seasonally available during this time. Recently, my lots of clients followed this intermittent fasting diet plan for weight loss and they were able to see a huge transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with winter intermittent fasting diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now for this intermittent fasting diet plan, we'll start our eating window at 12 noon, that is 12 p.m. and end it by 8 p.m. So the eating window is for 8 hours and the fasting window is for 16 hours. From 8 p.m. to next morning 12 noon, you will not be consuming anything and we'll be on complete fasting and only 0 calorie liquids. So starting with the early morning drink, which is empty stomach drink. So for example, that you wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning, first you should definitely have your diuretic water. Now all the diuretic waters are definitely 0 calorie, so we'll make sure that to have either apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it empty stomach. Now this basically avoids any kind of blood sugar spikes when it comes to the food intake or any kind of pH imbalances in the body. So make sure to have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water first thing in the morning to balance your PCOD or PCOS symptoms as well, and people suffering from thyroid can also consume this thing. Second option is for all of those who cannot have this, then you can always have either coriander seeds water. All you have to do is simply soak 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds in 1 glass of water overnight. In the morning you can simply warm it up and have it empty stomach. Now this is basically amazing and magic drink for thyroid patients. Whoever is suffering from high thyroid levels can definitely consume this thing and definitely can see a huge change happening in their symptoms and reduction in thyroid levels as well. The next 0 calorie drink you can have at approximately 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. is black coffee or black tea, or you can again have 1 cup of green tea or any of the diuretic waters. Green tea, black coffee or black tea, make sure to have no sugar added to it of any kind, or definitely make sure to skip any kind of milk to it. So no milk, no sugar, and only black coffee, black tea, green tea or any kind of diuretic water you can have for your this meal time. Starting with our eating window now, for 12 p.m. we'll start our day with winter special ABC juice, which is apple, beetroot, carrot juice. Now this basically helps you to get all the boost of the vitamins and minerals and nutrients, and at the same time also amazing for skin benefits as well. Recently my lots of clients have seen amazing skin benefits having this ABC juice every single day, and even you can try it. So for all of those who cannot have the juice of apple, beetroot, carrot, can simply even have 1 apple, 1 beetroot and 1 carrot raw. The fiber will definitely make you much more fuller also, and also it's amazing for your skin benefits. So you can have this for your first meal as eating window. Then we come to the lunch, which we'll have approximately 2 hours after this juice, which is 2 p.m. For 2 p.m. you can have your lunch. Now for lunch we'll definitely have winter specific and amazing recipes for weight loss. The first recipe has to be for all the roti lovers out there. Whoever loves to have roti during this season, definitely they can have either makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. You can have 2 makki ki rotis, which is again very good for weight loss, also helps in clearing your gut very quickly. Saag again is rich in vitamins like K, A, E and C, and it is definitely one of the highest sources of manganese and folate. It also helps to eliminate any kind of free radicals as well. So you should definitely consume as much as saag which is possible for you during this time. The recipe is already shared with you. You can follow it and enjoy your tasty delicious winter special saag and makki ki roti during your lunchtime. Second option is who cannot have this and wants to have parantha of any kind, you can always enjoy missy roti parantha, or you can even have it mixed parantha. The recipe is there again up on my channel, which is super easy to prepare and super yummy as well. You can have 2 of these, which includes oats flour, besan flour and also some amount of wheat flour. It requires very minimal time to prepare this thing, and you can have it along with curd, raita or any seasonal sabzi as well. Make sure to not fry the parantha on the pan and always add 1 teaspoon of ghee over it when it's on the plate. Third option is for all of those who like to have rice during this time. For this you can have either brown rice pulao, which again includes lots and lots of vegetables which are seasonally available during this time. For example, broccoli, carrot, cauliflower, peas, spinach, and includes adds lots and lots of vegetables to it using 200 grams of cooked brown rice, and you can enjoy your tasty delicious brown rice pulao with curd or raita or some salad as well. The recipe is again up on my channel, which you can follow A to Z and enjoy your tasty delicious meal, which is winter specific and with lots and lots of nutrients into it in your lunchtime. And now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack for winter intermittent fasting diet plan for weight loss. Mid-evening snack you can have at around 5 p.m, which you can have 1 cup of tea or coffee as per your own preference if you like having it at this time, or you can even skip it and have simply 1 cup of green tea along with high protein seed mix. Seeds and nuts are rich in antioxidants and which are definitely one of the best source foods to warm your body from within. So make sure to have 30 grams of high protein seed mix, which includes all the essential seeds and nuts like almonds, walnuts, cashews, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, and have 30 grams of it along with 1 cup of green tea or matcha tea, or with 1 cup of tea or coffee as per your own preference, but without any sugar added to it. Second option is if you cannot have this, then you can simply have 30 grams of roasted makhanas or 30 grams of roasted peanuts. Now both of these things are again very crucial for your winter specific diets, which help you to lower your blood sugar levels and also give you a good amount of calcium, protein, and lots of other micronutrients as well. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options for intermittent fasting diet plan. For this I'll be giving you 3 options again. First option has to be my personal favorite and definitely one of the highest protein options during this time. You can have paneer tikka or chicken tikka or soya tikka. The recipe of my paneer tikka is again up on my channel, which requires very minimal time to prepare it, and also you can use approximately 200 grams of paneer into it. Make sure to add lots and lots of vegetables along with it like bell peppers, broccoli, onion, tomato. You can add any kind of seasonally available vegetables to it and make sure to make it fuller in nature as well. You can use hanker to prepare the dressing for the marination, and you can replace paneer with chicken or soya as per your own preference as well. For chicken you can have approximately 150 grams of chicken, or you can use 150 grams of soya as well. Second option is for all the soup lovers during this season. Soups are one of the best things to warm you from within and keep you fuller for the longer time of the day as well when you consume soup during this season. Lots and lots of recipes of healthy soups are yet again up on my channel, which you can follow super easily, or you can even choose any of the recipes which you like to prepare in a healthy manner and enjoy approximately 300 ml of this soup along with 1 toast, or you can even have 2 boiled eggs along with it to give you good protein intake as well. Proceeding towards our third option for this time is you can have 1 moong dal chila or 1 besan chila as well during this time for your winter intermittent fasting diet plan. Considering that you have it in by 7 p.m. or 8 p.m, you can have 2 chilas which are prepared from moong dal or besan chila. The recipes are yet again up on my channel, which requires very minimal time to prepare and also is one of the healthiest recipes out there. So you can follow it. Along with that you can have mint chutney or any kind of vegetables, or you can even have some kind of raita or curd as well along with it if you like having it. So now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink option for intermittent fasting diet plan. Now we have closed our eating window at 8 p.m, dinner being the last meal. So now by 10 p.m you have your bedtime drink, which is 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Now the benefits of chamomile tea are amazing. Now lots of clients of mine have seen amazing benefits of this tea. It helps you to get you good sleep benefits. Now people suffering from insomnia should definitely try out this tea and it works wonders for you. So you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, or if you cannot have this, then you can again have ajwain water or jeera water, because this helps to reduce your water retention, bloating, swelling in the body very quickly, and also works as amazing metabolism boosting drink as well for night. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to have at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. And for personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can WhatsApp me on the given number, or you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com, and we can start your weight loss transformation with Addition Sheena and begin the journey. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes or diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you as soon as possible. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day, and what I eat in a day to lose weight fast as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.